10 powerful tips to build an online brand. So, you're starting a new online business, you need customers to find out about you, so how do you go about creating your brand online? 1. Start defining your brand. This sounds obvious, but some aspects of it aren't. You first need to answer those two questions. What is my target audience? What is the main driver of my business? Following that, you should acquire as much data as possible about your business and market and understand what links the both entities. 2. Be innovative, bold, and daring. There are so many companies out there. If your strategy is to be mundane and dull, your name will be lost in the flow. By being innovative, bold, and daring, your company will make noise, allowing it to stand out from the others. And customers tend to care more about those brands. 3. Get a proper logo designed. A logo is a mark, symbol, or emblem used to promote brand recognition and awareness. Invest in a well-designed logo. It is essential in building brand recognition, because it is the face of the company, so make a memorable face. Getting a unique logo will help you achieve the goal of building a brilliant online brand. 4. Create a compelling tagline. It is a slogan used in advertising. Creating a tagline helps send your brand message across and differentiate you from the competition. 5. Have a good-looking website. Go digital by taking your business online. A website is important because it allows you to market your business online, also helps you establish credibility as a business. Create a clean, fast and fantastic website with great user experience, to increase conversion rates. 6. Create an About Me/Us page. The About Us page is one of the most important pages on your website. It's also likely to be one of the most visited. So better make it creative and engaging. Think of it as an opportunity to introduce yourself to your guests. This is where they come to learn more about your company and the people behind it. A customer looks here before they start to take your business seriously. Make it creative by adding your company approach, vision, and mission. Add the values you provide, include social proofs, try to forge a connection and inspire trust. 7. Get active on social media. Once in a while, move away from your website and take the conversation to social media. Be authentic, provide valuable information, connect and interact with prospective customers. 8. Publish a podcast. Brands nowadays are increasingly using podcasts to improve their prospects and give their brand a voice. It is a powerful marketing tool. Podcasts have become the new talk radio on mobile devices. In fact, the increased usage of mobile phones has led to the explosive growth of podcasting. Provide advice, case studies, testimonials, and real-life stories. This will help shoot out your brand to the world. 9. Publish videos on YouTube. YouTube is like another search engine that provides valuable visual information. Nothing beats a creative YouTube video to captivate an audience. The exposure any company can get on YouTube is extraordinary. A statistic from YouTube states that viewers watch hundreds of millions of hours of YouTube videos every day. Provide valuable contents and customers will find you. 10. Create unique and insightful blog contents. A blog is one of the best ways to establish yourself as an authority in your field, as it gives you a platform for sharing important and valuable insights. As you build up your brand in your niche, this breeds trust and familiarity, keeping you top of mind when your customers are ready to come in. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. "10 Powerful Tips to